Welcome to the overview video of NetSuite Planning and Budgeting module. In this video, we'll walk through the features and benefits of the planning and budgeting solution in the cloud environment, as well as the use of SmartView for Microsoft Office. The home screen of the NetSuite Planning and Budgeting environments features cards that provide one-click access to several functional areas. By clicking the Workforce card, I can see my employee roster. In this model, I can review current employee detail, as well as make adjustments to quickly forecast and test the operational and financial impact of future changes to specific employees across departments or subsidiaries. I can also plan for potential hires by adding future employees using the new hires by department form. Dashboards are also available to visually analyze trends with the ability to drill down to lower levels of details. I'll click the Home button in the top right to navigate back to the home screen. By clicking the Forecast card, I gain access to a variety of modules containing pre-configured logic designed to simplify the process of forecasting various revenue and expense items. I'll click the OpEx card, and this contains forms that allow me to use pre-built calculations to forecast my expenses. Pre-built calculations include rolling averages, 3 months to 12 months, prior year actual average, or manual entry. I just need to select my preferred calculation and hit the Save button to calculate my forecast. I'll click my organization's logo in the top left to go back to the home screen again. By clicking the Financials card, I can always see up-to-date financial statements like income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow. The report shows a trended view of actuals and budget, as well as trended drillable dashboards. Now, let's jump into the Reports and Analytics card to review the reporting capabilities of the solution. Vertical tabs identify reporting or budgeting workflows. Horizontal tabs contains reports, dashboards, or data entry specific to the workflow. The first vertical tab represents variance reporting. I can select the specific intersection of the data that I want to see, and the variance report highlights any good or bad exceptions. I can also add a narrative directly into the report for each of the specific lines. By selecting the financial reports workflow, I can access the reports, which are available in a variety of formats: PDF, HTML, or Excel formats. These reports are created using the report authoring solution called Web Reporting Studio, which allow me to create reports in a format or layout of my choosing. I can also create a book report or a reporting package, which is a compilation of several different web reports, which can be directly sent to a predetermined list of users via PDF attachment. All web forms are accessible in Microsoft Office via the SmartView add-in. I can open the form and click the Action button and select Open in SmartView to launch. On Excel, I can also directly access any form from the library on the right-hand side or the SmartView panel. On SmartView, using the predefined form interaction, I can still use the form as how it can be used in the cloud environment. For example, in the OpEx form, I can select a pre-built calculation And I can also manually enter numbers directly into the account and hit the submit button or submit data button to save the changes. Changes made in SmartView will automatically reflect in the cloud environment and vice versa. I can also create ad hoc reports in which I can manipulate the level of data I need for analysis. For example, I'll bring down the department into the rows so I can see a departmental expense report. I can also move the departments into the columns by selecting the department dimension and clicking the pivot button. Then I can drill down to the account so I can see a report by account by department. You can also format these reports using the standard Excel formatting functionalities. Thank you for watching this demonstration. If you have any questions, please reach out to your account manager or sales representative.